Now it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. So I'll again check it if all three drones are sounding perfectly. Are sounding perfectly. So what I have to do now, I will add the chanter. Before I add the chanter, I need to add the reed. This is the reed, the one come with the pipe. I'll check this before I add this on chanter that it's correct or not. I'll put it in my mouth, make sure it's taking very much air and it's very hard to blow. So if this happens with you, put this reed in a glass of water for at least 20 minutes or 30 minutes and it will get soft and you will get perfect sound. I have one soft reed with me, so it's the soft one. It's taking very less air and giving correct sound. So I'll add this on the chanter over here. So I'll check the chanter before I add this on the pipe that it's giving all 7 notes, all major 7 notes or not. So chanter is giving all 7 scales perfectly. This is what you want from a set of pipes. That's it. If it's given 7 notes, you can play the pipes without any harm, without any problem, and you can play any song you wish. You can find a tutor or CD. It's available in the market, or you can buy only music and you can learn now how to play them. The pipes are ready to play. The last step is you only need to add the cord. If you do not add the cord, the pipe will fall down and will not stand on your shoulder. So now I'll add the cord. I'll open it. There are small rings. You can see that small rings. These are to hold it in the cord seat. So I'll open it approx here. Okay. I'll put first ring here. Then we'll continue according to pipe's requirement. Here is the cord seat where I have to add this like this. Cord seat is added. Second part, 2 parts over there of 2 rings, 2 parts over here like this in the center, in the middle part of the base plate. It's added. Now I'll fix this part back on the drone. Now I'll add this on the second drone, second channel drone. Same process like this, and then on the third one. I missed one in the center. About 3 fingers difference in each tone required. That's it. Now you can start learning to play your pipes. Pick up your pipes, blow it, and start your lesson with your tutor or with your anyone who knows how to play, or you can practice by yourself and can learn how to play the pipes. This is all what you need from a set of pipes. These are ready to play. You do not need to reread it at any cost. If you don't want to play, you just take this part off from here, turn it towards this side, and put it back in its bag like this. Now whenever you want, take them off. They are ready to play. Start playing. If you do not want to play, put it back. So there are two more packets left. These are cane drone reeds. These are extra. If you ever have a problem with the synthetic drone reeds, you can add these drone reeds as well. So I will try to show you these as well. These are 3 reeds, 2 made of cane. 2 are bigger in size, 1 is small. One is bigger, sorry, 2 are small. So you also need to adjust it. To adjust it, first hold these in your hand, shake it, then open the blade of the reed, put it in your mouth after that. It's perfect to add on pipes. This one is not playing, so I'll not try on it. It's okay. Do the same process with all 3 drone reeds. But I don't think if you have a synthetic drone reeds you need this. These reeds are fixed on the same place where I fitted the synthetic drone reeds. If you do not have synthetic drone reeds, I suggest you to buy that. Don't use these reeds. These are useless. But sellers add that with pipes. I don't know why. Finally got this now. Add these. You have to add this on the same place, on same 3 drones. If you do not have the synthetic one, you can add these drones on your pipes, and same process, same thing, and your pipes will be ready to play.